Hello traders, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can close your Deriv trading account. If you have decided to close your Deriv trading account for one reason or the other and you don't know how to do it, this is how you can do it. First of all, head over at the top of the Deriv trader interface and click on the profile icon. Once you click on that profile icon, okay, it is called the manage account settings icon. You just give Deriv time to load the new page. It might take about 10 to 15 seconds, okay? Once it opens, I want you to scroll, all right? And then click on close your account, all right? So proceed and close your account. Now, once you click on close your account, this is what you will see. They will ask you, are you sure if you close your account, you can't trade on Deriv, you can't make transactions? And before closing your account, ensure you close all your positions and withdraw your funds. We shall delete your personal information as soon as our legal obligations are met, as mentioned in the section on data retention in our security and privacy policy. And once you read that, proceed and click on close my account. And before you close your account, just click on the link in the description. You've made a video on what you should do if you feel you want to close your trading account. It's basically some tips and advice, so please ensure you watch that before you close it. But essentially, if you want to close your trading account, these are the steps you follow. Once you feel you're okay with that, proceed and click on close my account and you shall close your trading account. Guys, I appreciate you for watching until the end, and ensure you subscribe and share this video to any trader you know, so that in case, but I can advise you to not first close without watching our video on what you should do in case you want to close your trading account. Okay? Yeah, otherwise guys, thank you very much for watching. Keep trading guys, keep pushing, don't give up, keep pushing yourself, okay? But it's just important to know this information, okay? Thank you guys for watching. You're amazing, and let us meet in the next one.